What is the limit of life? What is the limit of mind? How do molecules turn into life? How do cells become a mind? How do these cells organize themselves into a flower? Is a virus alive? Does it have a purpose? How does the virus know where to go? How does it know?
Life appeared on planet Earth around 4 billion years ago. How did this happen? It is still unknown. Many scientists have tried to replicate the origin of life in their labs, but so far, none succeeded. We know the different ingredients that are required for life, the different bits of matter, and many scientists have tried to put these bits together and kickstart life, using, for example, an electrical spark. But nothing really happens. Inanimate matter does not become alive. On the other hand, if we look around, we can find life everywhere. Other people, animals, trees and plants, fish and many other examples. Planet Earth went from being a big rock flying around space, containing only some gases, fire and water, to the green and alive planet we know today, which we all call home. What we know is that life had to start being very simple, with a cell. When that first cell appeared on Earth, we had the start of biology. Up to that point, we only had chemistry, but to become alive, chemistry had to become very complex. Water, for example, is a molecule essential for life. But as a molecule, it is as simple as it gets. Somehow, water and other simple and similar molecules became more complex and evolved into very complex molecules like proteins or DNA. And once these very complex molecules were available, they somehow joined forces to create life. As life became more complex, it also became more intelligent. Humans, for example, are intelligent. We can learn new things, we have emotions, we can plan sophisticated actions, like 2 weeks of holidays. We can work together and build complex things, like the space shuttle. Intelligence or cognition might also be present in many other animals. Dogs, for example, can display emotions like happiness. They can follow orders and learn tricks. They learn routines. Primates, like chimpanzees, can even solve puzzles. But are these animals intelligent? What does it mean to be intelligent? We might all agree that dogs are intelligent. But what about fish? What about trees and plants? Where and how do we draw a line? Do molecules express any level of cognition? Is cognition possible before life happened? Can inert matter